Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. FANS Wethu TV, it's the African Cup of Nations. Bafana 3, Zimbabwe 2. I'm joined by Zwaidi.
Brother, let us go on our knees
And pray.
and let us pray, brother.
Pray, my brother.
Washington and Ruby almost finished us.
I'm sorry for the dirty carpet.
Brother, don't mind the dirty carpet.
Yeah.
We've got dirty goals. Let's go. Lahim, brother. TLB was in trouble. Brother. Ngazana never saw any balls, brother. Tawana almost killed us. We saw neighbors coming home and taking South Africa. But welcome.
Yeah.
Let's come back, brother.
Amen.
Brother,
Amen.
I was in trouble
Where?
because Killer was ready to celebrate.
He was.
Brother, but the moment was cut short
Yeah.
because we sent him to the nearest pain.
With that penalty.
You see, I told him that you need psychologists, brother.
Therapist.
You need people who are going to examine the brain
Yeah.
and the heart
Yeah.
because the damage that is there is too much.
It's too much.
How can you take on Kaizer Chiefs' pain?
Yes, why?
One.
That's a pain, yeah. No, it's overloaded on this.
Two, brother, you're taking on traveling pains.
Yeah.
3, squad. Brother,
I know.
how much can you take of the pain?
Before you snap?
Brother, that is killer.
Million for pirates.
How can you do that, brother?
Yeah.
You can't.
Yeah.
We always tell him.
He's gonna pray.
And then 4,
Yeah.
he comes to Orlando Stadium
Yeah.
to Minya every time.
All the time.
What is wrong with him?
He's not normal.
He needs to be examined.
Nah.
Someone spoke about CD4 count, but I talk about brain, brother.
Yeah.
Something is missing there, brother.
Electricity for count.
Brother, no.
It's mental.
Brother, he needs someone who's going to sit one-on-one and ask him, Killer, are you okay?
Yeah.
That's it.
Because Pirates has won today
Yeah.
in the Bafana.
Yeah.
And are you happy, brother?
Yeah.
He must speak out.
Yeah.
Tell out in Nyanyani, brother.
Body.
Brother, we are going to write a letter
Yeah.
to Kumbulekaya
Yeah.
to come and collect Killer.
Why?
Because we are not sure.
Why?
She's offside.
Yeah.
Yeah, mamela. Hurry up, shoganga killer. Yeah.
We are not sure, brother.
I'll go show you the water.
No, we are not sure, brother. I don't want to say much, but I'm not sure, brother. How can you celebrate, brother? You are the only one. Even your fans are even worried.
Yeah.
Jessica was worried, brother.
Serious.
Bobby is even worried.
Manga celebrate the local
Brother, they're even worried.
In natural.
But I understand now.
Yeah.
Because of the buy one, get one free.
Oh.
That's their material, brother.
They got him free.
No, they got...
Kizzy.
Yes, brother.
Upai water.
Yes. How can you betray the stock exchange?
God, you can't.
That's your stock
That's your
exchange.
supply.
That's your JSC,
That's your
brother.
supply.
Yes, brother.
That's your supply.
So he wasn't betraying the supply, brother.
Yes.
But basically, he's an agent for Kaizer Chiefs now.
That's right.
Because he was marketing for Kaizer Chiefs. But we know Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
They want to buy one, get one free.
All the time.
But now they can't afford, brother.
Zimbabwe.
You saw that one. Chiwara.
Tawana.
International players, those ones.
Brother.
Brother,
What the threats?
Brother, I don't want to say, did you see the TLB go round?
Yeah.
But the wheels go round.
Yeah.
Brother, the TLB, I saw him go round and round. Round. The wheels were going round and round. By the time he opened his eyes, the ball came in.
It was in the net.
The ball came to him. He collected the ball, brother.
In the net.
Brother, he was the one who collected.
TLB ulandile.
Ngezane fetched some water for TLB.
Yeah.
To say, are you okay, brother?
They got easy.
Brother, he was
They got easy.
spinning around.
Yeah.
That was massive, brother.
There's no child's play.
Now Kaizer Chiefs can't afford that, brother.
Yeah, I
We know.
understand.
Now we understand it. That's why now Kaizer Chiefs can't buy that side.
Times have changed.
Yeah, things have changed.
Economies have changed.
The value has gone up.
Yeah.
And the economy has stayed down.
Yes.
That's why Killer is like this.
I understand.
Because the economy is going up.
Yes.
And the songs are going down.
Leave the song there.
Brother, I don't know how, man.
No, he's still up and coming.
No, brother, let's make it. Killer is in pain. I don't know if he's owing my Shonisa or something, brother. Killer is in pain. How can you bet straight win for Zimbabwe when you know that South Africa will challenge? He was sitting back. Killer now is sitting in the corner, brother.
Depressed.
Brother is not depressed, he's dying. He took 1,000 rand for petrol. Now he's dead, brother.
How will he catch him by the end?
No, we will assist him. He's our brother, we'll assist him. Brother, don't worry.
Don't invite us.
We'll hook him. He'll sleep somewhere, wake up in the morning, take a taxi.
Okay, sure.
Don't worry, brother. But all I'm saying, brother, we are happy.
Yes.
Bafana has done something.
Yeah.
No, is it Bafana? But I see, yes. Oh, Bafana, Pirates. Oh, yeah. Bafana.
Oh, repeat again.
Bafana, Pirates. Bafana. No, I can't say it.
Honest.
Yes, brother. Yes, exactly. Keep it that way. Yeah, keep it that way. When we lost it. Yeah. Kaizer Chiefs, where's Matlow, brother? Sitting at home. He's sitting at home. You can't, brother. He was even cooking for the wife. He's cooking. Yes. You know, Matlow's role model is Master Chef.
Yes.
Because when Master Chef is cooking on the field, he's cooking at home.
Oh, yes.
Yes, brother. Don't worry, brother. Some people are dying. Don't worry, brother. We are here to tell them the truth. No. Brother, don't worry. They'll come one by one. We are here to cook them. We'll tell them the truth, brother. When someone is cooking on the field, someone is cooking at home. That is a perfect example of how you cook, brother. You take the recipe from TV, you apply it at home, brother, and you dish it there at home. Brother, I don't want to say much, but I'm saying now, Bafana, we are Bafana. Someone decided not to support us. Decided to support Egypt. He came back support Zimbabwe. He's coming back supporting Cameroon.
Yes.
We don't know which is which.
Yes.
Give him citizenship from somewhere.
Yeah.
Once we take this case,
AFCON.
brother, we are taking this thing.
Yeah, we are.
We are taking it.
Yes,
Once we're taking it,
yeah.
we take Killer.
Yeah.
We substitute him.
Yeah.
Take him somewhere.
Yeah.
Find him a place, brother.
Yeah.
And he starts selling the songs that side.
Yeah.
Very well, brother.
In Cameroon.
Brother, I'll buy him a bakkie. you know in Cameroon they don't use bakkies. We'll take the bakkie, give him a scooter.
Yeah,
Scooter, brother. Yes, the big boy, brother. He'll be carrying a lot of jars of water, brother. With a scooter going to Cameroon, brother, because we are not sure of him, whether he's here or what. You can't say you don't support South Africa. Brother, you can't guarantee Killer. Tomorrow he comes back, he changes.
Yeah.
That's why I say we need a lot of people.
Yeah.
Because Kaizer Chiefs is not make sure.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, we've got a lot of people who are going to Philip Kushley.
Brother, omunye uyalazi, omunye uyayazi. Omunye uyayazi plate. Uyalazi umbule, uyayazi plate umatlo.
Uyazi umuntu owaziyo.
No, Matlo, continue cooking at home. Continue cooking.
Amen.